The next iPhone might sound exciting on paper, but when you take a closer look, the so-called iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks raise more questions than excitement. Instead of feeling like a bold leap forward, many of these rumored changes look like Apple stretching minor updates into a massive marketing campaign. One of the most talked about rumors is Apple's potential shift in its release schedule. Reports claim the iPhone 18 lineup could launch in 2 separate waves rather than a single event. According to these leaks, Fall 2026 may introduce the premium models, the Pro and Pro Max, possibly alongside Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone. Months later, in spring 2027, Apple could release the standard iPhone 18, the iPhone 18e, and an ultra-thin model rumored to be called the iPhone Air. On the surface, this strategy may sound clever, but in reality, it feels like a calculated attempt to keep Apple in the headlines for an entire year. Instead of delivering a complete lineup at once, the company could be dragging the launch cycle across 2 seasons just to dominate the news cycle for consumers. This creates confusion and unnecessary waiting rather than genuine excitement. Design changes also appear to be minimal. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to keep its 6.9-inch display, which means the overall size of the device may remain almost identical to its predecessor. The only notable tweak could be a slightly smaller dynamic island, thanks to Face ID components moving under the screen. But let's be honest, shrinking a cutout by a few millimeters hardly qualifies as a revolutionary design upgrade. It feels more like a cosmetic adjustment being promoted as a breakthrough. The camera system is another area where Apple seems eager to generate hype. Reports suggest the company is experimenting with a variable aperture main lens. While this technology could theoretically improve photography in different lighting conditions, it is hardly new in the smartphone world. Several Android manufacturers have explored similar systems years ago. Apple introducing it now would simply be catching up rather than leading innovation. Additional camera rumors include a wider aperture for the telephoto lens and a possible upgrade to a 24-megapixel front camera. Performance upgrades are also expected with the rumored A20 Pro chip built on a 2-nanometer process. Faster speeds, improved efficiency, and better AI capabilities are almost guaranteed with every new generation. But at this point, yearly chip improvements have become predictable rather than exciting. Battery rumors might sound impressive, with claims of a 5,000 mAh battery and up to 40 hours of usage. Yet these numbers remain speculative, and Apple has a long history of promoting battery life in ways that rarely match real-world expectations. As for pricing, leaks suggest Apple may keep the base Pro model around $999 and the Pro Max near $1,199. Considering the relatively modest upgrades, that price tag may feel harder to justify than ever. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.